Hi everyone, this is Fenglan Nancy from Nature In. In today's episode, we are introducing the American bittern. The American bittern, Botorus lentiginosus, is a medium-sized heron with brown, gray, and white plumage that makes it blend in perfectly with the grass and reeds it usually hunts in. They are far easier to hear than see, as during the mating season, males make their famous boom boom yup call that echoes through marshes and swamps. American bitterns' amazing camouflage makes them nearly impossible to spot. They move very slowly, swaying with the surrounding vegetation, their necks stretched out, making their streaks of brown and yellowish white line up with the grass around them. Their stealth, patience, and down-facing eyes allow them to easily catch their prey, including frogs, fish, snakes, crayfish, rodents, and insects. They live in most of North America, from Hudson Bay to the Yucatan Peninsula, wintering in the southern part of their range along the Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. During breeding season, they migrate to the northern U.S. and Canada. They can be found all year in a few places, such as Puget Sound, where we live, on the Pacific coast, and Chesapeake Bay on the Atlantic coast. During mating season, the low bass booms of the males give birders a rare chance to find these elusive birds. They ruffle out their feathers and inflate their throats, shaking up and down, clicking their bills, booming boom boom yup again and again. The female's reply is much softer. We hope you enjoyed learning about the American bittern. Don't forget to subscribe to Nature In. Have a beautiful day.